Hari ini road trip langsung ke Bedugu, langsung kembali ke rumah gemuk. Hai, bersama all my housemate dan juga Ibu Jen, ada Emma, all my good friends, ada Adit juga, ada bukan penyet, ada Bolen. Penyet, ada Bolen, ada Sasha, ada Pupu. Pupu kembali lagi Pupu, kita tidur bareng lagi. Welcome back.
Kapan Pet?
Amin ya, tolong ya guys. Gimana Adit?
Gila.
Are you excited?
Can I stay here for my whole life?
Jauh kemana-mana bro?
Gak apa-apa. Gak apa-apa.
Love one day,
Kakak Bran, mau di atas apa di bawah? Bencongnya foto ya. Disuruh lagi nyari kamar.
Coba nanya lo nih, Bijan.
Aduh, gantian deh.
Kok lo begini say?
Ay, apa? Aduh.
Oh my god, jangan keluarkan itu ya.
Ups. Begitulah Jen, teman-teman gua tuh ya.
Anastasia, James Andre.
Bukan, aku anaknya Anastasia sama Romeo.
Oke, ini
Satu
aja. Oke.
KB soalnya.
Oh.
Lagi rapat ya sekarang. Male advisor, someone who's really very good and very knowledgeable in the world of gay man dating. Mrs. Bran, or should I say Cuppers?
Yeah, Bran.
Bran Cuppers.
Hi everyone.
Good evening. How are you today?
I'm very good. How are you?
Thank you very much. I'm very wonderful too. I'm glad to have you
Thank
here.
you for having me.
Yes, my pleasure. We're very happy to have you here because
thank you so
everyone here always love, your energy. They love the way, the way you speak.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
We love to hear your advice.
Thank you.
Shall we proceed to the question?
Yes, sure. Yes.
Stay there, Bolen.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Now we're gonna ask you the question that relates to before you were talking a lot about how do you not develop personal feelings with friends with benefits and how do you actually find them, something that is in people's mind whether you can control it or not with the word baper, right? Now it's a topic that I believe everyone always want to know, like how when you have the fear of not having the same connection again with the person when you become honest with them, but when you're not being honest with them, you're torturing yourself because basically you're wondering what's inside that person's mind. Am I right? Like sometimes when you want to ask that person, hey, do you want to sleep with me? Hey, do you want to hug me? But you're afraid that when you ask that question, that person might not want to see you again because that person might be afraid that you have developed feelings for him.
I understand.
You understand that?
I really understand.
Okay, well, what's your take on that,
Well, thank you for your question. Basically, based on my experience, I can understand that the feeling when you ask someone that, hi, can we have a, kind of relationship or just fun? But you are afraid that this person will say no or say yes. I can understand what the situation and the feelings going on, but I'm a typical person who's very open about those things. So I straight away asking like, if you like, this is what I want. So I know myself, I know what I want. So I talk to the person, and so far, luckily, most of them are very open-minded. And since the beginning, I told them that this is what I want. Can we like working out together, or if the relationship will be work or not? So from the beginning we know what we want, so we can protect our feeling to each other.
Okay.
Since after the conversation,
Things will get back to normal.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. We have a special guest star tonight. About him.
Penyet.
Let me introduce you guys to my new puppy. It's called Penyet.
From what?
Huh?
From what?
Penyet.
So, it's just like, okay, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, but we're about to come to a more intimate session. So, you know, like, I feel now, I feel, no, you know, you don't know how I feel. Like, it's just like, you know, like, I've been here, like, I haven't, you know, had anyone hugging me to sleep for, like, since December, and it's been very long, and I miss the touch. I just miss, you know, someone just, like, you know, hug me and, like, you know, but that not necessarily what I'm saying. I have no expectation, but when someone has the potential to be a good, cuddly person, you just want it, you know?
I can understand how you feel right now, okay? But this is what I always say to my YouTube channel, that you don't looking for the right person. Please don't looking for it. You know yourself, you just let it go. In bahasa it's called legowo. Legowo.
Atau kasih kendor.
Kasih kendor, I mean, like, don't looking for them.
Let
The
them
right
come.
person will come in the right time. You need to learn this in your life.
Yes.
Sometimes the right person came in the wrong time, but also sometimes probably the wrong person came at the right time. But you have to believe that the right person will come in the right time.
That's very deep, and that's very, you know, ladies and gentlemen, it's pretty hard to take, cause like.
Ya.
Mendingan wangi daripada kenyang ya nggak?
Kalau aku dua-duanya say. Harus ini harus iya kan.
Kenyang tapi wangi juga.
Apa nih?
Gue bilang, gue tanya dia kan mendingan wangi daripada kenyang ya nggak? Gue dua-duanya.
Dua-duanya dong, kenyang tuh
Oke.
penting.
Apalagi kenyang Bali.
Morning, Kak. Wow, pendek banget ya. 17 derajat loh.
Harus berani menggunakan celana pendek, harus berani, harus bisa sendiri. Mari kita nikmati pemandangan ini.
Harus berani ya.
Harus
Oh my
berani. Dong say. Say. Ganti say. Ganti menggunakan musim dingin say. Say. Saya disensor say.
Good morning. Tim pagi. Tapi aku sama Alfa mau olahraga.
Yes.
Kalau kemarin Ede sama Alfa, hari ini Eksi sama Des. Tapi tetap minta korting 20 menit aja. Karena mau jebur.
Lebih berat.
Oke, berat. Biar pantat juga naik, you know.
2, 3, 4.
Come on, 2 more. One more.
Udah.
Oh, udah.
Oke, gak apa.
Yes.
Demi pantat-pantat Rusia.
Demi masa depan, say.
Pantat-pantat Rusia.
Pantat Rusia.
And again, mie sedap.
Ini sudah al dente, kemudian
Harus al dente.
feedingnya sudah standby next to you.
Terima kasih, Master.
Al dente apa sih, teman-teman?
Itu setengah matang dan matang. Jadi ketika Anda memakan noodles atau pasta yang al dente, itu masih sedikit kenyal-kenyal dan enak. Ya.
Oh,
Bisa masak sendiri.
Bisa sendiri.
masak
Di
sendiri.
rumah, ya.
Di rumah aja ya.
Saya lebih pakai ini kali air itu saja ya.
Iya.
Tidak buang-buang air. Air mahal pemirsa. Bisa sendiri.
Yeay. Kita akan make up lagi bersama Emma dan foto lagi sama Adek. With the Bali curl. With the Bali curl. Sambil makan mie.
Indomie tetap ya.
Serasa seperti bangsawan, you know.
Bangsawan tapi makannya Indomie.
Bangsawan ulang kaya tapi berjiwa
Down to earth.
down to earth.
Sampai dikokok.
Makeup, no makeup. Do I look kendal? Kendala gue jadi kendala. Makeup look yang pertama dan hairdo yang pertama, aku juga menggunakan baju Veresa Resort Wear Terus kita mau mempersiapkan, mau foto di dalam apa namanya, toilet. Adit lagi mau dirapi-rapihin, ya kan?
You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, our words will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why.
Penyet, ayo turun.
Tinggal di sini aja.
Ayo turun Penyet. It's a lunch break time. Ini makan apa, Jen?
Ini warung nasi alami
Di Badogao. Makan dengan sambal ular dan juga teman-teman di sini bersama Aveyo.
Geser kiri sih.
Itu ya, Say. Apa sih lagi?
Bersama Sasha Simorangkir alias Sasha de la Morte dengan Paracetamol maksudnya. Saya kan. Paracetamol. Ya, berhubung kita lagi di Bedugul dan cuacanya sangat mendukung alias minus 10 derajat, you know. Jadi saya harus membungkus si Sasha de la Morte. Ya kan?
Akhirnya ganti baju. Sumpah ini dingin banget, Say. Udah serasa di like Como di New Zealand.
Emerald gitu ya.
Yes, Bali rasa Eropa.
Jadi ingat-ingat situ gitu nggak?
Banyak cenderung belanja brand yang udah established. Mereka jarang suka coba-coba.
Banci ini bilang, jadi ingat siapa nggak kalau di Eropa?
Minum teh lagi arisan.
Dinner time bersama Bu Sumia dan teman-teman semuanya. Kita makan apa, Say?
Ada nasi goreng, ada pork. Ini apa? Pork apa aja? Pork tamarin.
Makan sendiri.
Oke, ini makanan-makanan dari Fat Chow. Dan ini bakal buka bentar lagi, guys. Karena biasanya
enak banget sih.
Biasanya cuma buat wedding venue, tapi ini akan buka untuk publik, jadi kalian bisa kesini. Hah, ya kan?
Tapi reservation ya, so social distance.
Yes. Itu kalau kayak gini lo mau kasih nama apa, Kak?
Gue kasih nama Richie. Gondrong. Gue panggil gondrong. Richie. Richie, aduh jangan. Gila, gue kasih krastase, Say.
Itu cakep, Say.
Iya, gue kasih sambut krastase. Gue kasih krastase, Say. Gue treseme aja, Say.
Aduh, gemes. Gue sih suka lo anjing ini loh. Mukanya tuh menurut gue eksotis.
Ngeliat-liat foto semuanya. Udah kelewat juga, Say. Tadi sudah pada bubar. Okay, have a good night. Have a good night, guys.